Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see recently watched lives on TikTok. If you're trying to find a live stream you recently watched on TikTok, it is important to know that to get started, firstly you need to open the TikTok app on a device, and next is you need to tap the search icon in the top right, and over here you need to type down the creator's username, and you need to open the profile to see if they're currently live again or if they posted content related to the live session. And if you have interacted with the live by liking, commenting, or following the creator, you can also check your activity. You can go back, go to your profile icon in the bottom right, and select this three-lined menu in the top right. From here, select Settings and Privacy. And over here, scroll a bit down until you find this Activity Center and select that. And over here, you can review your recent interaction. And that is it. That is how you can try to find a recently watched live on TikTok. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.